but all dogs
No,
love me though.
nope, not her.
She
Nope,
does.
she doesn't.
Okay.
She's gonna bite you.
Oh. Well, you should not have her out.
Gosh, can I pet your dog?
Can you read?
Well, yeah.
You cannot pet my dog. It literally says do not pet for a reason.
But all dogs love
He's
me.
gonna bite you.
Well, then you should keep him at home. If
That
he's
doesn't
gonna
make any sense. You should listen.
Gosh.
No. That's not how you interact with a dog that you don't know.
Well, I just wanted to pet her.
I know, but you need to ask first and you need to provide space before you ask and before you approach.
That seems crazy.
Well, you're gonna get bit.